Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Bitlocker is active on the locked PC and that you can access your Microsoft account from your phone. Open a mobile browser and sign into the same Microsoft account used on that PC. Once signed in, navigate to the Devices or Recovery Keys page. This is where Windows stores linked recovery keys. Make sure your phone has stable connectivity and your account uses two-factor authentication. You may need verification during the process. Now you locate the right recovery key by matching identifiers. On your phone, open the Devices section, pick the computer that shows as locked, and tap to view Bitlocker recovery keys. Compare the 48-digit key identifier displayed on the locked PC screen with the list on your phone. Keys are long numeric strings. Once you find the matching ID, copy the full 48-digit key using your phone's copy function so you can paste it into the PC's recovery prompt quickly. With the correct 48-digit key on your clipboard, return to the locked PC and carefully enter or paste it into the Bitlocker recovery field. Accuracy matters. If the system accepts the key, follow the prompts to unlock and allow Windows to boot. Make sure to save the key in a secure place afterward, like your Microsoft account or a printed copy. If the key is not found, try checking any other Microsoft accounts, an Active Directory account, or contact the device administrator for enterprise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.